Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Tired of feeling groggy, forgetful, or irritable during the day? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving into the top 6 vitamins and supplements that can help you fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and wake up refreshed. Stick around because these tips might just change your life. Magnesium glycinate can help if you often wake up in the middle of the night with racing thoughts. Taking 100 to 200 milligrams an hour before bed can calm your muscles and nervous system, helping you sleep deeply through the night. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, making it easier to relax. Vitamin D3 is essential because your internal clock can get out of sync due to stimulants, stress, or too much evening light. Taking 20,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily for 1 to 2 weeks can help reset your body clock and reduce brain inflammation, leading to better sleep. L-tryptophan is crucial for producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A 200 milligram dose in the evening can improve sleep quality and boost serotonin levels, enhancing your mood and motivation the next day. Tart cherry extract is a natural source of melatonin. A 500 milligram supplement can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Plus, it supports kidney health and controls blood pressure. Vitamin B1, thiamine, is helpful if you experience racing thoughts or nerve pain. A 50 milligram dose of natural B1 can quickly promote relaxation and improve brain oxygen use. Lemon balm is a calming herb that boosts GABA, a neurotransmitter that quiets overactive nerves and lowers cortisol. Enjoy it as a tea or take a 200 to 600 milligram supplement an hour before bed for a soothing effect. Improving your sleep isn't just about supplements. Here are a few bonus tips to enhance your sleep hygiene. Dim the lights about 45 minutes before bed to trigger melatonin release. Turn off all devices to create a sleep-friendly environment. Limit caffeine to the morning. Drinking coffee or tea after 10 a.m. can disrupt your sleep at night. Gentle exercise during the day can lower stress hormones, making it easier to sleep at night. Remember, not getting enough sleep can lead to serious health problems like high blood pressure and mental decline. So try these supplements and tips to improve your sleep and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon